Malik clinches gold for India at World Cadet Wrestling Championship in Hungary. India's wrestler Priya Malik has won a gold medal for the country at the World Cadet Wrestling Championship, which is taking place in Budapest, Hungary on Sunday. Malik secured the gold medal by beating Belarus rival Ksenia Potapovich 5-0 in the 73 kilograms weight category. Also read Tokyo 2020, meet India's Olympic medal hope, Bajrang Punia. Malik has consistently performed in the recent past, and this win would give her a shot in the arm. She also won gold in the 2019 edition of Khelo India in Pune and then went on to win another gold in the same year at the 17 school games that were held in Delhi. Furthermore, Priya also won 2 more gold medals in 2020. Also read when Sushil Kumar and his close aides beat shop owner for 4 lakh rupees. Moreover, she has continued good form as she won 2 gold medals at National Cadet Championship in Patna as well as at the National School Games respectively. Thus, she has shown the skills to go a long way in her career. Also read Sushil Kumar arrest, mixed emotions in Indian sports after two-time Olympic medalist goes behind the bars in murder case. Meanwhile, Malik's feat comes a day after Mirabai Chanu won silver in the ongoing Tokyo Olympics in the weightlifting 49 kilograms category. Chanu lifted 87 kilograms in snatch whereas she lifted 115 kilograms in the clean and jerk category. Thus, the Manipur-born Indian lifted a total of 202 kilograms and created history. Chanu's silver was the first medal for India in the ongoing Tokyo Olympics 2020. Ergo, the Indian women are making the country with their accomplishments at the top sporting level. Before Priya Malik, Indian wrestler Varsha had won the bronze medal on Thursday by defeating Turkey's Duygu Jen in the 65 kilograms category.